In this video, we'll show you how to fix this error when installing an update on Windows. As you can see, this update failed to install. The first method is to create a new text document on your desktop. Open the new text file and type this code into it. This prepares your system for cleanup by stopping services that might be using update files. Rename the software distribution and cacheroute two folders. These folders keep temporary update data. Renaming them makes Windows create new ones. Next, we'll re-register important system libraries for Windows. This also resets network settings to fix internet problems and removes old drivers. After that, use DISM to scan and repair your Windows system files. This also cleans up old updates and parts of Windows. Next, run the System File Checker. This tool looks for and fixes damaged system files. Finally, restart the services that were stopped earlier. This lets Windows work normally again. Once you're finished, save the text file as a batch script. When you save, change the save type to all files and give it a name that ends with .bat. Now, run the script as an administrator. Type Y and press Enter to continue. This might take about an hour, so please be patient. Restart your computer when it's done. As you can see, the error is gone and the update has been installed successfully. If it still doesn't work, or you get error when running the script, you can try running the script one more time and restarting your computer. If the first method doesn't help, you can try the second one. This method will fix all Windows Update problems by repairing your Windows system. In the Windows Update settings, choose Advanced Options. Then choose Recovery. Click Reinstall now to fix Windows Update problems. Don't worry, your apps, files, and settings will stay the same. As you can see, a repaired version of Windows will be downloaded and installed automatically. Once it's finished, restart your computer. As you can see, the update has been installed successfully and the apps and data still remain. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.